Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to draw a line in TradingView. Whether you're marking a trend, highlighting a level, or simply guiding your eye on the chart, drawing a clean line is one of the simplest and most helpful things you can do. As a Shopify store owner or someone who's looking to dive deeper into analyzing e-commerce related trends or stock charts, mastering this skill will help you visualize patterns, trends, and potential opportunities in your market. First, look to the left side of your TradingView chart. That vertical bar is your toolbox for all things drawing. Near the top, you'll see a set of icons, and the second one is dedicated to line tools. It often looks like a diagonal slash. If you don't see exactly what you want right away, hover over that icon and click the small caret next to it. That opens a panel with more line options, so you can pick the type of line that suits your purpose. This is a great feature because it allows you to quickly switch between different types of lines for various analysis needs. Whether you're drawing support and resistance lines, trend lines, or marking out important price levels. Now, choose a line tool. You'll notice TradingView offers several variations. Each one connects points on your chart in a straight line, but they're named based on how they extend or how traders commonly use them. For example, a basic line tool is often used for drawing simple trend lines, while a ray or extended line will continue indefinitely in one direction. For this demonstration, any standard line option will do. The important part is that you've selected a line tool from that second icon's menu. This flexibility is really helpful, especially when you're working with different charting strategies. With your line tool selected, move your cursor onto the chart to draw the line. Click once where you want the line to begin. This first click sets your anchor point. Then, move your mouse to where you want the line to end and click again. TradingView will instantly connect those 2 points with a straight line. That's it, your line is placed. It's simple, but this small step can make a huge difference in your chart analysis. For instance, if you're marking a breakout point in your Shopify stock analysis, this line can help you spot trends or key levels that you need to watch closely. If you're marking a visual pattern, choose 2 meaningful spots on the price chart, like a significant low and a later high, or 2 peaks that form a clear edge. Your line will make that relationship easy to see at a glance. By connecting these points, you create a visual reference that will help you quickly assess market movements. For Shopify store owners, you might use this technique to track changes in customer behavior or product performance over time, whether you're looking at a price chart for a stock or tracking conversion rates. If your line doesn't land exactly where you intended, don't worry. You can always try placing it again until it looks right. Taking a second to zoom in before you click can help you anchor your line more precisely, especially around candlestick wicks or exact levels. Zooming in can help you see smaller, more detailed price movements, making it easier to draw lines that align with key price points. This is especially useful when analyzing more volatile markets or intraday price changes. To recap, open the drawing tools on the left. Use the second icon or the caret beside it to reveal more line choices. Select your preferred line tool, then click your first point and your second point on the chart. You've just created a clean, accurate line in TradingView, ready to guide your analysis. Once you get the hang of drawing lines, you'll be able to quickly mark support, resistance, trends, or key areas where price may turn, giving you more confidence in your trading and decision making. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using lines to make your charts clearer and your decisions more confident. Whether you're analyzing Shopify stock, competitor trends, or general market movements, these simple lines will help guide your strategy and ensure you're making data-driven decisions.